The Easterseals facility at Gammon Academy in Manchester, New Hampshire is home to roughly 120 students. Liberty, in partnership with the other statewide utilities of NH Saves, was able to fund 100% of the energy efficiency measures taking place.
I'm John Susi. I'm the Senior Vice President of Children's Services. The Zachary Road facility is licensed to serve 106 students. We run two different programs out of the facility. One is for children 5 to 12 that have psychiatric difficulties. Our larger population is for 5 to 21-year-olds with intellectual and developmental disabilities. We have a total of 157 beds in New Hampshire. We're in the largest one, our Zachary Road facility. We also have 3 schools, and the schools are all certified by the state of New Hampshire, so we can also issue high school diplomas. Really, our goals are to help kids move to less restrictive environments, whether that's to a home or eventually to an adult service placement, but really to get them as quickly as we can prepared for that next step of life. The children we work with tend to be very sensitive to kind of sensory input, whether that's how their clothes feel, the temperature, lighting. So all these projects where we improve the environment makes them much more open to learning. The changes we're making it with the insulation and temperature control will really help the students and the staff to have a more comfortable environment.
My name is Jason Teester. I'm the Vice President of Facilities at Easterseals. It's been great working with Liberty on this project. Our partners, Resilient Buildings Group, help us to identify these funds through the New Hampshire Saves program, and it's going to make a significant impact to the comfort of our students here at Gammon Academy. The funding for this project could not have come at a better time. These insulation upgrades and improvements are going to help us realize immediate savings to our energy bills. The money savings will be able to be leveraged in other ways across all programming and all clients served by Easterseals. We'll be able to use those funds to make improvements to facilities all across New Hampshire as well as Vermont. Not only will these improvements in the insulation of the Gammon Academy make a difference and create immediate savings in our energy bills, but I'm really excited about how it's going to improve the comfort level of our students. So these funds that are being provided by Liberty and the New Hampshire Saves program is really going to make an impact to this building. We wouldn't have been able to do something of this scale at this building without these funds. Normally we would do that in a phased approach over many years, and being able to do this all at once is going to just make a huge difference in our students' lives here at Gammon Academy.